In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend a DocuSign to one person. Single recipient, 2025 guide. If someone missed their signing email or it got buried in their inbox, you don't need to start over. You can quickly resend the original DocuSign invitation to just that person, keeping the same document and signing fields intact. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, open the DocuSign web app and make sure you're signed in to the correct account where the document was sent from. From the main dashboard, look for the Agreements section. Depending on your view, it may appear in the main navigation. Click it to open your list of envelopes and documents. This area is where all your sent, pending, and completed items live, and it's the best place to manage recipient reminders. Next, locate the file you want to resend. If you have a long list, use the search bar to type part of the document title or the recipient's name. You can also sort by most recent to bring the latest envelopes to the top. Look for the envelope that's still awaiting action. The status will usually show that it's waiting for others. Click the file to open its details page. This page gives you a clear snapshot of who has signed and who still needs to act. Inside the document details, find the recipient you want to nudge. You'll see a Resend option associated with the envelope, and in many layouts, a Resend control near each recipient who hasn't completed their action. Click Resend. If a prompt appears, you can include a short note, such as just resending your DocuSign link, which can help your recipient recognize the email. Confirm the resend. This sends a fresh signing link to that single person without altering the envelope or affecting other recipients. After resending, tell your recipient to check their inbox and, if needed, their spam or promotions folder. The message comes from DocuSign, so whitelisting DocuSign's domain can help prevent missed emails in the future. If the resend option isn't available for a person, it likely means they've already completed their part, or the envelope is no longer active. In those cases, review the status to confirm what's needed. That's it. You went to Agreements, open the document, and use Resend to target the exact recipient who needs the reminder. It's fast, it preserves your original setup, and it keeps your workflow moving without recreating anything. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your agreements on track.